Hello everyone, welcome to Papa's Workshop. Yesterday in the video that I put out, I went ahead and engraved this one with the Captain Jack Sparrow. And I said in that video that I was going to be moving on to the canvas. But before I do, there's one last step that I want to be able to show you. And this is doing an image such as this with Johnny Depp as Captain Jack Sparrow. This type of an image is absolutely beautiful. And I want to show you real quick how I did this today, because this is in preparation and will lead into being able to engrave on the canvas. Of course, the first step is to find the image that you want to use. And this one was a color image, which was a high resolution. Now this has a lot of dark colors in it, but I still think it is going to work really, really nice. Now there was many different ones to choose, but I went ahead and right-clicked on it, copied this image, and brought it into Lightburn. And here's just an example of a few of the other images that I had considered using. Once I opened Lightburn, I just right-clicked and hit paste and brought the image into the Lightburn software. And from there, I'm going to go up here to the Tools menu and scroll all the way down to the Adjust Image. And on the left, that gives you the original image, and on the right, that gives you the image that is going to be able to engrave. Now in this case, I have clicked on the negative image. And from here, I'm going to make some adjustments. And again, as I've said before, this is a little bit of trial and error and what will work and not work. Now I wanted this one a little bit darker because I think that represents Jack Sparrow quite nicely. And in this case, I had painted the tile gold and then finished it up with the black on the top. And that too will be able to give some of the subtle gray and gold tones in the final work. While I'm making these adjustments, I will zoom in on different places and see the detail that is being pulled out with the different adjustments. I want those small details there. I also want to be able to look at the eyes and some of the other features that you're going to be drawn to naturally when you look at this image. Once I'm happy with all the different settings, I click OK, and that's going to bring up the image. Now this is what it's going to look like when it's actually engraved. The other thing I want to be able to do is come up to the top and let's take a look in the preview and see exactly what is going to take place with the engraving itself. So that gives you a real good idea of what the actual laser is going to be doing. Now for the fun part, it's time to go ahead and frame this to begin with. We want to make sure that the tile is sitting exactly where we need it to be able to have this image engraved on the tile. Now I ran this at 70 inches per minute and 60% power. And the gray tones mixed in with the gold is the perfect look that I was going after. Now I know this was a real quick video today, but I didn't want to be able to just be so repetitious that it would bore you to death. So I just covered the highlights to be able to engrave this particular one. And I think the results were fantastic. So if you like this video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe right down there and hit the bell notification. Because the next video, I'm going to start working on a series of doing the canvas. And I think that will be a lot of fun because the type of artwork that you can do, engraving on the canvas, it can be beautiful. And I look forward to being able to share this experience with you. So again, thank you very much for watching today on this very, very short video.